Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain different roll cakes in Heartopia. So once you've collected the recipe for the original roll cake and you've created that, you are able to use any types of any kinds of sugar, any sugar colors, I guess, for this one. Then, once you're done with that, for instance, you want to make a green roll cake, change it to the green sugars. Don't mix them with other colors because it's not going to work. And you're just going to cook that. You're just going to bake that, I guess. But remember, you'll need the same colors, and you'll get the colors from Dorothy. Sorry, not Dorothy, Doris. I don't know why I said Dorothy. You'll get the sugars from Doris when it's raining, when there's a rainbow, and when it's snowing. So here's what I got. Finally, the green roll cake. I think I just need the orange one. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.